Head coach of Jamaica's under-19 girls volleyball team, O'Neill Ibangs, says the work towards the Norseca under-21 Continental Championships starts now. This after the team secured the CAZOVA regional title at the weekend at GC Foster College.
Jamaica's under-19 female volleyballers completed their triumphant comeback after capturing the CAZOVA regional title after a 3-1 victory over Trinidad and Tobago over the weekend at the GC Foster College auditorium. It was a dream start for the Jamaicans, who surged into a 2-1 lead with scores of 25-21 and 25-23. The Trinidadians, who recovered from 2 sets down to beat Barbados 3-2 in the semi-final, shortly harbored thoughts of a similar comeback when they won the third set 26-24. But it wasn't to be, as the Jamaicans, who lost their opening game to Barbados and were on the brink of elimination, wrapped up the contest with a 25-14 third set victory to land their first ever youth regional title.
The first time we are winning this trophy, first time we are making it to the final, first time we are beating all these teams, first time in basically everything, right? So this is historic. This is a great achievement. This is opening the door so that, we can have more persons coming in. This is garnering support for the sport. This is really starting the stride to build something stronger, or to build a solid foundation for Jamaica volleyball.
I can't even put it into words like how I'm feeling right now. Like I feel I'm so proud of all of my teammates and of me. Like it wasn't my best game, but all of my teammates were there to support me, and it just felt like we had come together so much as a group, and to be the captain of that group and to help lead throughout the tournament as well, it feels really, really, really special.
Third place went to Barbados, who had a 25-19, 25-22, 25-23 win over the U.S. Virgin Islands. Meanwhile, the Jamaican men finished fourth after going down 3-2 in the third place playoff to the U.S. Virgin Islands. After taking the first set 25-19, the Jamaicans watched as USVI squeezed out a 25-23 win to level the contest at 1-1. The Jamaicans regained the lead with a 25-22 third set win, but USVI trumped the Jamaican attack with a 25-16 fourth set performance to level the game at 2-2. The visitors then closed out the game 15-9 in the fifth set. The boys' title went to Barbados, who had a 3-2 win over Trinidad and Tobago. The Bajans were in cruise control after the opening 2 sets, as they went 2-love up with scores of 25-20, 26-24. However, TNT came back in the contest, winning the next 2 sets, 25-21 and 25-22, to set up a fifth set. TNT were denied the comeback as the Bajans rallied to win the set 15-12.
I know we can get home. Our boys are very fit, so I want to get into the set. I know our boys are capable of getting home. All I tell you guys is keep focused. That have to win 3 sets to win the tournament. Once we get one, we stand a chance. So keep fighting.
Bernardo Brown for TVJ Sports.